Let's talk about something you never notice until it fails. The pipes under your feet, specifically cast iron pipes. Before PVC or copper, iron was the backbone of plumbing, dating back centuries. The French pioneered cast iron plumbing at the Palace of Versailles in the 1600s, building fountains for King Louis XIV. Back then, plumbing was a royal luxury, and cast iron was chosen for its strength, a choice that's still paying off in some places today. The real boom came with the Industrial Revolution, as cities exploded in size and needed reliable water and sewer systems. Old solutions like wooden pipes couldn't handle the pressure or the crowds. Cast iron forged in roaring furnaces became the answer. Making these pipes was tough, dangerous work. Molten iron poured into sand molds, requiring skill and muscle. The craftsmen who made them were unsung heroes, creating the arteries of modern cities. Cast iron pipes weren't glamorous or pretty. They were heavy, dark, and meant to be buried and forgotten. But their impact was monumental. They let cities grow, provided clean water, and saved lives from diseases like cholera. These pipes became the silent backbone of public health, a network of iron veins beneath our feet. Their legacy is one of grit, ingenuity, and heavy lifting. Without them, modern cities as we know them wouldn't exist. They allowed for upward and outward growth, fueling progress. Even today, some of these original pipes are still in service, a testament to their durability. Cast iron pipes are a reminder that sometimes, the most important things are the ones you never see. They're the quiet heroes of civilization, and their story is just getting started. So, why did cast iron rule the world of pipes for so long? It's all about what's inside. Cast iron isn't pure iron, it's loaded with carbon and graphite, giving it unique strength. Its compressive strength means it can handle the weight of soil, traffic, and shifting earth without buckling. That's why it was perfect for water mains buried deep under busy streets. These pipes were thick, heavy, and rigid. They didn't bend or sag, preventing blockages. Their toughness made them resistant to punctures and damage during construction. But what about rust? Here's the twist: cast iron forms a protective layer of corrosion that actually shields it from further damage. This process, called graphitization, creates a stable barrier, slowing down rust dramatically. That's why cast iron pipes can last a century underground, while plain steel would crumble. The combination of strength, rigidity, and self-protecting armor made cast iron the king of underground infrastructure. It's a material that commands respect, built to last, and not easily replaced. Even today, its durability is legendary. Cast iron pipes are proof that sometimes, the old ways really were the best. They're the reason so many cities still rely on their iron guts. And that's what makes cast iron tough as nails. Installing cast iron pipes was a monumental task. Long before modern machinery, crews dug massive trenches by hand, sometimes through rock, risking collapse and injury. Once dug, the real challenge began. Lowering huge, heavy pipes into place using ropes, pulleys, and sheer muscle. Every move was dangerous. One slip could mean disaster. Connecting pipes required skill. The bell and spigot joint, sealed with oakum and molten lead, made a watertight bond. Imagine working in a muddy trench, pouring hot metal to seal a joint. After installation, the system was pressurized and tested for leaks. Any flaw meant redoing the work on the spot. Only when everything was perfect did they backfill the trench, burying their hard labor. The result? A hidden network of iron that would serve cities for generations. These workers carved the circulatory system of the city, one pipe at a time. Their craftsmanship and sweat built the backbone of modern urban life. The iron pipes they installed are still quietly doing their job, decades or even a century later. It was a feat of engineering and endurance. The legacy of those workers lives on beneath our feet. And the iron guts of our cities keep pumping year after year. The cast iron revolution didn't stop at city streets. It moved right into our homes. Before cast iron, indoor plumbing was a fantasy for most people. Smaller diameter cast iron pipes became the standard for carrying waste from every floor down to the main sewer. Plumbers had to snake these heavy pipes through walls and ceilings, sealing every joint with oakum and lead. The result? Quiet, durable plumbing that didn't rattle or leak. Cast iron's thickness muffled noise and resisted damage from clogs and cleaning. For nearly a century, it was the gold standard in homes, making modern bathrooms and kitchens possible. The hidden iron core of our houses transformed daily life, bringing comfort, sanitation, and peace of mind. Believe it or not, many cast iron pipes installed over a century ago are still in service. Cities like Philadelphia and St. Louis rely on water mains from the 1800s, still doing their job. Utility workers often find pipes stamped with dates from 100 years ago, still solid after a quick cleaning. In homes, original cast iron stacks from the 1920s or 30s are often still going strong. While other parts of a house get replaced, the iron plumbing endures. It's a level of durability modern materials rarely match. These pipes are living artifacts, proof that when you build it right, it lasts. Even cast iron has its limits. After decades, problems start to show. External corrosion from soil and chemicals can thin pipe walls, leading to cracks or breaks. Inside, years of waste and grease cause roughness and buildup, shrinking the pipe's diameter and causing clogs. Cast iron is strong but brittle. Ground shifts or tree roots can crack it wide open. The old lead and oakum joints can fail, letting water leak out or groundwater seep in. These issues create leaks, backups, and headaches for homeowners and cities alike. Finding and fixing leaks in a citywide system is a never-ending challenge. The old iron giant is tough, but even it gets tired. Maintenance becomes more frequent, and repairs more urgent. Eventually, every pipe reaches the end of its service life. But even in failure, cast iron's longevity is impressive. When a cast iron pipe fails, the traditional fix is messy: dig it up and replace it. For cities, that means tearing up streets, rerouting traffic, and working in muddy trenches. For homeowners, it can mean jackhammers in the basement or trenches through the yard. Repairs are heavy, dangerous, and disruptive. Regular maintenance helps. High-pressure water jetting and mechanical snakes keep pipes clear of buildup and roots. It's dirty, thankless work, but it keeps these old iron veterans in the game. Every repair is a race against time and decay, but as long as the pipes hold, the water keeps flowing. Today, there's a smarter way to fix old pipes: trenchless repair. Cured-in-place pipe, CIPP, creates a new, seamless pipe inside the old one, using a resin-soaked liner cured with heat or light. No major digging required, just access points like manholes or cleanouts. The result is a smooth, corrosion-proof pipe ready for decades of service. If the old pipe is too damaged, pipe bursting pulls a new pipe through, shattering the old cast iron outward. Both methods save time, money, and disruption. Trenchless technology lets us preserve and upgrade our iron infrastructure without destroying what's above it. It's a 21st century solution for a 19th century problem. The iron pipes get a new lease on life without ever seeing the light of day. That's progress, built on the bones of the past. The story of cast iron pipes is about more than plumbing. It's about building for the future. These pipes are symbols of ambition, grit, and lasting craftsmanship. They set a standard for durability that modern materials still chase. Even as we move to new materials, we're finding ways to preserve and work with the old iron systems. Trenchless technology breathes new life into 19th century infrastructure. The legacy of cast iron is a lesson in building things to last. Next time you turn on the tap or walk down a city street, remember the iron network beneath your feet. It's not glamorous, but it's one of history's greatest engineering achievements. The cast iron pipe is a legend, still getting the job done, century after century. And that's something worth respecting.